Hey guys, this is Ryan at eScootNews, and today we're going to talk about sliming your tires. Now this is a very simple thing that you can do with new tires and new tubes to make sure that you can prevent or repair a flat tire so that you're not stuck in a difficult place on a ride. This only is going to involve a couple things today. First, this can of slime, which comes with its own little tool on the top, a set of gloves so that my hands don't get too dirty, and a bike pump. This will only take just a few minutes per tire, and it's something you can do that will really help you out in the long run on your ride. So the first thing that we want to do when we're sliming this tire is move the valve stem up towards the top. We'll unscrew this real quick. Next, we're going to use this tool that comes on the top of the canister of slime, and we're going to use it to remove the valve core inside the stem. At this point, we basically have no air in our tire, and I'm just kind of making sure of that. There's no pressure at all. Next, we've got to take the hose out of this and attach it to the top. Now we're getting ready to slime our tire. One thing that you need to know is that on Slime's website, they have a calculator about how much slime you need to use for your tire. For this particular tire, this is about 8.5 by 2. And it said I needed to use 1.1 ounces of slime. If you look on the side of the slime bottle, you'll see that there's measurements about how much is left inside the bottle, so you know kind of how much to squeeze in there. So now I've attached the hose to the valve stem, and we're going to squeeze the slime in. I'm starting with about a little more than 13 ounces of slime, as you can see on here, so we need to get that a little closer to 12. Now we're going to take our valve tool and we're going to reinstall the core, which I have here. There we go, I can feel it back in there now. Just a little bit snug. I'll pull this out gently. And then what we need to do is actually inflate our tire. This is my little tire pump I'll use. My tire says to 50 pounds, and obviously you see that I don't have a gauge on this. So I'll have to do it by feel for now.
Now that we've finished the back tire, all you've got to do is repeat the same instructions for the front tire. This whole process from top to bottom should take you no more than 10 minutes. Please note that the slime is not expensive, and one bottle will last you through a number of tire slimes.
That's really all this takes. It's a very simple and easy thing that you can do. Happy riding!
Want more content just like this? Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Ring the bell for notifications when we release a brand new video on our channel.